Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you pro tips on how you can remove TikTok watermark from a TikTok video. First, you can just download an app, a TikTok video downloader app that you can find easily on the Play Store. So just open your Play Store or App Store based on your device. So if you are on Android, you can use open the Play Store, but if you are on iOS, then open the App Store. Now click on search and then type in a TikTok video downloader as the keyword. Then just find the TikTok video downloader that you want. For example, in here, I'm going to use the Snaptic watermark remover. So hit on install and then just wait until the Snaptic apps is downloaded. So while you wait, you can just open your TikTok in here and then find the video that you want to download. So in here, what you need to do is just find the video, because if you download video directly from the apps, then there will be a watermark attached on the video. So here, let's just click on the share button. Okay, so now the TikTok video downloader app has been installed. Let's just find the video to download. This one, for example, I'm going to just click on this share button and then you can just click on this copy link. So don't save the video but copy the link of the video. After the link has been copied, you can just open the app that you've just downloaded. Take saver in here, open it, and then it will automatically detect the link that I copy. You can see this is the video, the preview. Now you can just tap on this no watermark video option and now it will be downloading. So just wait until the video is downloaded. You can see it's still downloading. Okay, so the download is success. Now you can find the video that you've just downloaded in here in the downloaded tab. So when you click on it, you'll see that the video, okay, there's an ad. Let's just wait. So as you guys can see, there will be no TikTok watermark attached on the video. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!